wing.
Qué brutal.
Get ready to sail the skies and fly the clouds.
Woo!
Getting this launch
Oh!
and those wing gliders are almost.
Woo!
You'll need to put the wings in place. Can't have a wing glider without wings.
Oh! Mira!
These wings are in place.
Woo! ¡Ah, qué bueno!
See some grontal eggs, which are well known to explode when they hatch. But don't worry, they only hatch in exactly these conditions at exactly this time of year. Which means that stopping here would be a really bad idea. Hold on tight.
Son 3 minutos. Se va a cortar.
If you ever want to go flying again, just stop by. Toothless and I will be waiting. We're the best of friends.
Muy buena.
God, Toothless, not the face, not the face. I have no idea where your tongue